I can see it now.
So if I go to wallets, it's just sitting in a wallet.
Yep.
So do I do this?
Yep. And then you want to go ahead and click withdraw.
Couldn't remember if it was a withdrawal or a transfer.
Yep. So now you want to go ahead and select the payment method.
Why is it only giving me a wire?
You got to go up one and change that USD, the United.
To ETH, right?
Nope. You want to go to USDT, and then that is the ETH. And then you want to scroll down. It's gonna ask you what? Go back up. Right there where it says pay or receive. You want to go ahead and type in how much you're trying to take out, and then you want to scroll down. And what we got to do is we got to go over to Coinbase.
Copy something, right?
Yep, we got to get that address code from Coinbase.
Where's the right track?
All right.
What do I do here?
So you want to go ahead and click on deposit because you're sending it from the broker to Coinbase. You want to hit receive because you're receiving income or receiving the funds. And then you're receiving it in USDT. So go ahead and click on that one. Yep. And then hit that little square, which is going to copy your code. Yep. And now we want to go back to the broker. And you see where it says enter wallet address. Go ahead and click on that, and you want to paste. Yep. And scroll down, hit that send request, and
Confirm.
Basically asking you, do you want to confirm from here to here? Got your address, USDT. Yep. Go ahead and hit confirm, and now you should receive a email verification. So you got to check your email.
My email?
Yep.
Not yet. Get rid of these ones on here. No, that's not it. Garbage. Better check my. No, nothing in junk either. Did we get that last time?
I think we did. They usually ask for the verification code every time you do a withdrawal. Click on the inbox again.
Why is it? There we go.
And that is the right. That is the email that you have plugged in.
That's the only email I have. Well, no, I have a Gmail, but I don't use it.
Gotcha.
Usually take this long.
Not really.
They're probably laughing because of how small it is.
You'd be surprised. A lot of people, they might put $20, $30 in their account, and they might try to grow it, or they might actually start off with 1,000 and then they lose a lot of money because they don't really know how to trade, and then they'll just withdraw $25 or whatever's left.
Me, if I didn't need it, I wouldn't be touching it.
So you got those emails. Go ahead and click on junk real quick. I don't think it's in there, but
it's taking so long to connect.
Is it because you're on the phone, you think?
I don't know.
You connected to Wi-Fi?
Oh, I'm sure I am. No mail and junk. Nothing coming in.
Somebody say, hey, what's your alarm clock? My passion. My dreams wake me up. I don't need no alarm clock.
Now, how does it feel to achieve such success?
I've never really viewed myself as particularly talented. I view myself as, slightly above average in talent. And where I excel is ridiculous, sickening work ethic.
Yo, it's your boy, Young Cash. Give a shout out to AcesBlackstar. You already know what it is. CEO, boss man, AC Music. We out here.
Go ahead and hit resend, and then go back to your email.
I'm on a boat tomorrow.
Where you going?
Bahamas.
Nice. What cruise? Line Carnival. Gotcha. Bahamas. Have an extra Bahama mama for me. Try to click on inbox again.
Again?
No, just click on inbox.
Oh, there we go.
So hopefully this is the second code and not the first code. So it doesn't say this is the wrong code. But we'll see.
Oh.
There we go.
So you hit done?
Yep. Now you just hit done. And you should see it on your Coinbase once it goes through, once it clears. So because it is the weekend, it might take a little longer and it might show up on Sunday. I believe I did have somebody do a withdrawal on a Saturday night and it showed up on Sunday. But you never know. It might pop up today. It might pop up in about 10 minutes. Up to the broker, I guess, if they're still in the office.
Once it gets there, what do I do with it?
So once it gets there, then you're gonna go ahead and click deposit again. It's gonna say withdraw on that in that spot.
Oh, down here.
Yep. And then you'll be able to withdraw it and send it to the bank. But you could just hit me when it show up. That way I can walk you through it, make sure you get it and everything is right. You got the other money, right?
I'm sorry?
You have the other money that we did a withdrawal on
Oh,
already?
yeah, that worked out fine. I had it the next day.
Oh, see?
It was quick.
Smooth. So, do you remember how much you put in there originally?
How much did I?
1,000. 1,000. Oh, gotcha. So, whenever you receive it in here, just let me know. And then I can go ahead and help you withdraw it from Coinbase and then send it to your bank.
Awesome. I appreciate you a lot.
No problem.
Thanks, Dee.
All right. Have a good night and have a great time on the cruise.
I will. Thanks. I'll have a drink for you.
All right. See ya.
Thank you.
Yep. Bye. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, look, I don't know about these other Forex gurus that say they really want to help you succeed, but they don't have 15 minutes to actually walk you through the steps on how to deposit your money, how to transfer your money, how to withdraw your money. But I do. So if you really need the support that you need because you're a beginner or you're just getting started and you're losing money, you want to come over here to the real support team that really want to see you win, because we make our money from trading, which means that we don't have to be at no job. We don't have to be doing no trainings and nothing like that because we don't have any courses. We can actually give you the attention that you need. And if I can't give it to you, I can definitely send you a video that I pre-recorded because I have a nice amount of people already that's plugged into the Boss for What system. So instead of me repeating myself every single time, I just create the videos. But if you are one of those individuals that really need the help and the video is not helping you out, that's what we're here for. But you can only get this type of support when you join the Boss for What movement. All right. So if you're watching this video right now, you're a beginner trader. You are just getting into the game. You want to learn how to trade Forex. We don't have any courses. We don't have any signal groups or anything like that. But we do have a way for you to actually make money while you're learning. You could take somebody else's course. You could do somebody else's mentorship. Plug into our PAM account, which stands for Personal Asset Money Manager, or AKA a copy trader. And what I do is I trade my own money and I allow you to copy my trades using AI though. Not like I send out a signal, you copy and paste the signal into your broker and all of that. No, we have AI. So that way you can be in the bed just like I am right now, chilling. And when I take a buy at 3 o'clock in the morning, your account automatically takes that buy. It automatically sets to the stop loss, the take profit, all of that. So you don't have to check your Telegram or check your Instagram or check any gram, copy the take profit, copy the entry, copy the stop loss, paste it into your broker. By the time you do all of that, the trade is over. Especially if you're copying a scalper, the trade is over. You didn't lost the trade, or you have terrible entry, you have a terrible risk management, all because he posted his entry, exit, stop loss, take profit, all of that, and you had to copy each one by one and paste it on your phone or your computer. By that time, the trade is already over. He's already 10 pips in profit. You're just now getting in. Your stop loss is an extra 20 pips negative, and it just don't work out that way. Why not use AI? The reason why is because a lot of people actually can't trade. So if you copy their trade for trade, you would actually lose money just like them. And that's why a lot of these traders that you see that only sell courses, you never see them withdrawing money from actually trading. That's how they make their money. They don't make their money from trading. They make their money from you buying their course because they bought a course from somebody and the information didn't work. So they just regurgitated the information and then they're teaching it to you so that they can make money. And then when you try to implement it on the charts, it don't work. So you just take the information, you create your own course, and then you sell it. And now you're making money, but from selling courses, which means that you need other people. We're not doing all of that. All right. So with that being said, if you need the help, if you need the support, join the Boss for What movement. We are here to help, but I'm only one person. So at the end of the day, I might have to shoot you a video, but if you really need that support, I got you, just like I helped her. So that being said, if you're interested in going in a direction of people that's going in the same direction that you're going in, click the link in the description, join a free Telegram group. We got a webinar coming up that's also going to be in a Telegram group. So just click the link in the description. The broker that I trust that has the same day payouts, except for on the weekends, as y'all see, that's in the description too. I trust this broker. This is the only broker that I trust. I've been with Henko Trade. I've been with Liquid Brokers. I've been with Fintora. I've been with Ox Securities. I've been with a bunch of different brokers. And I've had multiple 6 figures in all of these different brokers. So I'm not just a beginner trader with $1,000, $2,000 in there. I look for brokers that favor traders because that's what I do. I'm not a big signals guy. I'm not a course guy. I make 100% of my money straight from trading. So I look for brokers that have fast withdrawals, no slow execution. So when I hit buy, I want you to put me in the buy. When I hit sell, I want you to hit me in the sell. When I hit close, I want my trades to close. I don't want it to be still going when I hit close and it close later when I'm in negative. No, I don't want that. I want something that's going to close instantly when I hit close. And then most importantly, I want a broker that's going to actually send me the money. I can do a withdrawal. So this offers all of that. And I trust them. So I have multiple 6 figures, moved from other brokers over to this one just because they offer all of those things with really low spreads. All right. So with that being said, link in the description. I'll holler at y'all later. Boss for what? Let's get it.
Check it for AC, decent hand on the shoulder. Blackstar, make a real, don't wanna hear shoulder. So if you with it, AC, baby, go and do the most. Bring that over here, go and bend it over. Check it for AC, decent hand on